Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share you how to set up C++ in your Windows. So we will see. So you have to install this by going to Microsoft website. You have to write down Visual Studio Code, then you have to click here. Then after it, you can see things like this will pop out like this. Then you have to just select default and click next to the wizard. And after which you have to download the MinGW. You have to click on this button. I'm referring this one friends, this website source4z. You have to check this thing and you have to click on download, and after which you can easily see here, you can see things like this. Okay, you have to click next and it is your choice. The installation directory is on you. If you want to change, you can. After which you have to click on the continue. It will install some packages, and after which you have to select some components which are necessary. The unnecessary ones are here ada and fortran. Then apply changes, click on the apply changes, and after which you have to click on the installation part. Okay, like this will appear, and after which you have to click on the continue, and this will be done in a few seconds, and it will appear like this. Then you have to, after this all packages are installed, you have to close this dialog box. Okay, and you have to set up the environment variables. So how you can, you have to just write edit environment variables in your search bar, then it will open up, and at which you have to go inside your installation directory of MGW, go in the bin and select this path and just go in the environment variables. Click the environment variables, then you have to click at the path, then you have to click at edit. You have to click this earlier one, you have to click this. Okay, then you have to apply these changes, press OK. Okay, now you have to go back, and to cross verify, you have to go into the GCC compiler and you have to check the GCC version. You have to just write down GCC version here, and you can check whether it is installed or not. So it is now referring that it has been installed. This is free open source software, so it's been now confirmed. So the steps were, you have to first download and install the Visual Studio Code, then install the C++ compiler, and after which you have to download some extensions from here. The first one is Code Runner and the second one is C and C++ by IntelliSense. Let me show you that. C and C++. I have already installed these things, and you have to configure as per your needs, as per your preference. Then you have to create a new C++ project. Like, I'm opening a folder. For instance, let's click this one. Okay, then you have to just, okay, then you have to just click hello dot cpp. Okay, then you have to just do your code here. You have to write your code here, whatever the code right here, and after which you have to click on this and you have to run this code. It will just be okay. Okay, so write and compile your C++ code as you want. That's it. You have now successfully set up C++ in your window, in which you can run C and C++ both codes. And for more information, you can visit Microsoft Windows website of Visual Studio Code, and also you can ping me on Telegram. Okay, and I think this video might help you. So that's it for today. If you can appreciate this helping, then you can subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you all. Have a good day.